Good morning to one and all. My name is Vinshit. I am studying in 4th standard. Bashyan Middle Champs, Basic Nagar. Today is December 22nd. So the birth anniversary of Srinivasa Ramanuja. The full name of Srinivasa Ramanuja is Srinivasa Ramanuja Iyengar. Okay. So he was born on December 22nd, 1887. So, on his birthday, we can also celebrate as National Great Indian Mathematics Day. So, we are all celebrating this day. So, in this occasion, all celebrating some programs in their schools and in their houses. So, now, in my school, they celebrated as some programs like Math Expo and Math Quiz, etc. They will also celebrate and they will also conduct. So, this conduct today Math Expo program. So, in this Math Expo, I selected the topic is a game or project. Is a game. So, the game is called multiplication game, or we can call it as multiplication project. And how it will be used, and see, this is the multiplication game and how it will be used and how to play this game I will tell. What is the use of this multiplication game means it helps our children for remembering all the tables in 1 to 10. Okay, all the tables, and do not forget any time anywhere. Do not forget, they will remember all the tables up to 1 to 10. Okay, so now how to play this game I will explain like this. We have to play like strings. Okay, and so first we have to choose these two. Means first we have to choose A or B. First chance goes to A and second chance goes to B. So someone chooses this. So first we have to think A. So I moved A string up to 4. Okay, up to 4 I move it. So 4. A chooses the blue color. So we have to close the 4. Okay, we have to close the floor. So first B1 has to think 4 table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8 is also there. So A1 chooses the 4 and the 4 twos are 4 into 2 is equals to 8. Okay, so 4 twos are 8. Okay, so now this B chooses red color. So 4 twos are 8. We have to move the B string up to 2. Okay, so this is 8. I move it 8. Okay. So now A chance. So A should think 2 table. Okay. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 is over. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. 6 is there. Okay. 2 means the game is like only like these strings. Okay. So what is the game means? Who will move 4? Who will move 4 boxes? 4 means 4 numbers at a time in a same color of horizontal or the vertical. Okay, they are the winner. Okay, so 2 table means we can keep 6. So 2 threes are 6. Okay, no, the A1 moves 5 twos are 10. Okay, so we can keep 3 times also, 4 times also. Okay, 5 twos are 10. So this 2 2 5s are 10. Okay. So we have to close. I close this 10. Okay. Okay. So another chance for B. So B has to think 5 table. In 5 table, what is the chances there? Yes, the chance is 15. Okay. Means the B chance kept 5 5s are 25. Okay. 5 5s are, where is the 25? Yes, 15 down. Sorry. Two 5s are 10. Okay. So we have to close. I close this 10. Okay. Okay. So another chance for B. So B has to think 5 table. In 5 table, what is the chances there? Yes, the chance is 15. Okay. Means the B chance kept 5 5s are 25. Okay. 5 5s are, where is the 25? Yes, 15 down. Okay. 5 5s are 25. We have to close the red color in the 25. Okay. After now 5 5s are 25. Again the A has to think 5 table. Okay. 5 5s are 25. Okay. So again the A has to think 5 table only. Yes, the 5 table means 20 is also there. Okay. Means the C. A will move up to 4. Means we have to write here 5 4s are 20. Five 4s are 20. Okay. We have to close the 20 with the blue color. Because the A chance is the blue color, no, that's why. And now the B has to think 4 table. 4 table, what is there? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12. So means the B color think 4 6s are 4 6s are is 24. Okay. So red will close the 24. Okay. Where is the 24? Yes, here is the 24. So the A1 has to think the 6 table. So 6. Yes, 6 5s are 30. So 6 5 30. See. The blue color over in the vertical 4. So who is the winner? Yes, A is the winner. Okay. You understand? I think you understand this game, and I think you understand this game. Okay. Again, in the last, the A moved up to 5. Okay. The A moved up to 5 means 6 5s are 30. Okay. 6 5s are 30. I think you understand this game. Okay. So 5 5s are 25 means in the 5 place we have to keep here, and 6 5s are 30. Means we can keep like this also. See. Or 6s are 30. Okay. Now the game is over. Okay. So the conclusion is, when we play this game, our children's mind will be sharp, and they will be the mind power, concentration, and they will be improves this. Okay. Thank you, friends. Play this game also. Thank you.